to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a Five Guys mukbang. And I have Riley here. Hey! So we both got a regular drink. And then they gave us lots of napkins.
We don't need them, we're American.
It's gonna offend people. Okay, we got a large fry, but there's more in there. See, look at all
Can I eat one?
Yeah.
They're so good.
And then we got fries. I need a napkin.
We're American.
And then,
Is there fries in there still?
yeah, okay.
Oh my god.
And
This
then,
is my burger.
she got everything on it.
Jonah got like nothing.
Look how much more they have put in.
Oh my god.
Tell me about it. So we are just going to
Eat and talk.
Yeah, so let's get started. Okay.
Oh, there's a pickle. They gave me an extra pickle. So guys, I don't know if you've ever tried Five Guys. I've only had them like twice.
So this is your third time?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it's so good.
And every time I do have it, it's amazing. Look at that.
She got everything on it.
Except like the jalapenos and stuff.
Yeah, because that's nasty. We don't like hot peppers or anything.
I mean, I do. I just don't want it on my burger. This is the money shot right here. We should have done the thumbnail with this baby. Okay, we're gonna take a bite.
They good?
Oh, really good.
I love their french fries.
I love their fries without the ketchup. The fact that you don't like tomatoes but you love ketchup is very confusing.
Yeah. But a lot of people don't like ketchup, but like tomatoes, so.
I'm such a fast eater, guys. Like,
I didn't know it came with 2 patties.
it does. Look at that. I don't know if it's nasty, but I love watching people eat, especially Trisha.
Oh, I love watching people eat. My favorite people to eat, to my go-to, is Nikocado avocado.
Trisha and Shane Dawson all the way.
Okay.
I watched their mukbangs, mukbang, same thing. Whatever it's called. Before it was even a thing. Because, like, 2012, they would get together and just, like, eat a bunch of candy and food. And I would just watch them. And it was just, like, I don't know, I loved it.
I sometimes watch Trisha, but sometimes she talks too much, and just like when people eat, so.
Another thing is Jeffree Stars, even though he only has a couple, like 4 or 5, I still like, I love him so much.
I love Jeffree Star and James Charles. She'll get up makeup. I can't do anything.
I can do a little.
Can't do nothing.
You're gonna hear some mouth sounds, okay? It's just gonna
Yeah.
happen.
It's okay. That's what mukbangs are for. To do mouth sounds and ASMR. Do you? I love ASMR.
Don't even get me started. I like soap cutting. And I like not mouth sounds. Like I like tire, like cars smushing, like.
Oh, look at this, guys.
She got plain.
No, with
Ketchup.
ketchup. Yeah, I forgot.
But
Guys,
she likes it when
look
people
at
eat like the honeycomb.
Oh.
And I can't. I don't know why. I just like can't.
Oh, so good.
These fries were really good.
Oh, yeah. I like them.
Like they're kind of better than McDonald's, and I love McDonald's fries.
Oh,
They're my
no.
favorite fries.
Yeah, they're way better than McDonald's.
You need more ketchup.
Yeah, they don't put a lot.
I have all the sauce and I'm loving it.
I can't believe you just ate all of that.
Hmm?
I just can't believe you just ate all of that.
Why not?
Because I have a
I
really,
eat a lot.
because I have like a really small stomach, and just eating this is like a lot.
I could have another one of these after I eat this.
Oh damn, girl. I can't relate.
Oh, I can relate. See, when I eat, I don't eat a lot in the day. I have like 2 meals, maybe 3 meals.
So I
But
just
the meals
gave
are
some.
huge. Like, I don't have small separate meals. I know that's like what you're supposed to do is have a lot of small meals, like a lot of small meals. But I have 3 huge meals and then just like.
Okay, so I got cherry Coke,
I got Sprite.
and I just threw French fry at my dog because she loves French fries and human food. So if you see me throwing stuff, it's because it's for my dog. Because we all need. My dog loves human food. Loves
It's
it.
not good for her.
Yeah, well, nothing's good for anybody.
Oh my goodness.
That just went down my shirt. Actually, no, it just went right here. No, it's okay. She can eat it.
Okay,
No,
it's
wait.
lettuce.
No, mind.
Wait,
No.
onion. Do you want onion?
No, don't let her have onion. She can have a.
Stop giving her all the fries.
We got a large fry, so. And plus, like.
I'm running out of bread and I have a lot of meat.
Mm.
Mm.
I never done a mukbang.
I have.
I haven't. Oh wait, we did once on You Know, with like the 12 tacos that we got.
And I ate all of them.
No, you didn't. We only did like a few, like 30 minutes worth, and then like we left. But then we had like 6 left, and then we left it in the fridge, and then we ate them later.
Only 4. There was only 4 left.
Sure.
I heard people like that sound, so I keep making it.
I can't do that.
It's called Fat Fingers.
Ow! I just hit my cheeks. Oh, that's...
See, I would be eating a lot more, but my back hurts. Excuse me. Not.
Ew.
Hmm? What?
You burped.
You were burping a lot in the car.
Sorry, I had French fries.
No, not gonna come out right now.
Yeah, better not.
It would come out tonight in your face.
I was screaming at you.
Look at those fries. They're like as good
This
as,
was all. Ew, sorry.
this is
That's
like
hair.
as good as Chick-fil-A's fries. I love their waffle fries.
Dude, I only eat their waffle fries. I don't like chicken.
See, but it's not. I had their chicken nuggets, so. But their waffle fries, oh my god, with the Chick-fil-A sauce.
I feel like I'm really short because I'm not. I'm like
Oh,
strong.
my back hurts, so if I do this, it like hurts it. So.
I just feel like look at
No,
it.
orange is a lot bigger than you, okay?
I feel like my
Pasture.
you know, my cheeks are gonna get huge after all these French fries because all these salts.
What do you mean?
There's a lot of salt on these fries.
Well, yeah.
And my cheeks are gonna get huge because of the sodium. I'd be like,
Who told you that happens?
No, it happens to me all the time. Nikocado Avocado says that he has water weight. Because all the sodium he eats, because he eats every single day, like a huge meals every single day.
I don't. Oh, yeah, I do. No, I don't.
This is so good.
It's it's cherry Pepsi.
Yeah.
I want to say cherry Dr. Pepper.
Oh. My brother likes those.
Mhm. Are you getting that bag and I get this?
Sure.
I'll probably finish whatever you don't finish. So.
Sounds good. My dog is over there just looking at us.
No.
I'm gonna say her no. She's not our son. Come here, baby. Oh.
Whew. Still gonna eat.
Are you full?
Nope. Just made me room.
I can't with you. Be like Bunny. Don't. I hate when they do that. No. Stop!
Oh, Bunny. I don't watch her anymore.
You don't? I watch her a little bit.
She gets, okay, so when I was younger, I watched Graveyard Girl a lot. And then I stopped watching her because I just couldn't make it through a video. I don't know why, I just got distracted by something else. Even though any other video, I can watch all the way through in like an hour-long video. But I just couldn't with a 20-minute Graveyard Girl video.
Do you watch her, did you watch the Shane Dawson series of her?
Yeah. So then I watched the Shane Dawson series, and I felt bad. So I like watched some of her videos, and then I quit again.
I don't know. I did watch her for a while. When she had like when they had the Houston flooding.
I watched her 4 years ago when she said that was her main time, and like, yeah, it was.
Yeah, and then I stopped watching her because like she wasn't really entertaining anymore. Because I don't like her doll.
I don't like her new channel. Once she made her new channel, I just like couldn't because.
Wait, she has a new channel?
Yeah, it's called Chili Peppers or no Banana Peppers, I think. I don't know, but I just can't get into it anymore. And guys, I have something to confess. I still watch Logan Paul. I know.
I love Shane Dawson's
You need to watch his old
series.
stuff. Conspiracy.
Yeah, conspiracy.
You need to watch his old stuff before you can like really get into him. Because nothing makes sense. Like his humor, it doesn't make sense unless you watch where he had his skits and his like Shanae and stuff like that. Like I dabbled in it when I was younger because I'm like, he's cool, and I like would watch a million of his videos. And then I would get stuck on Stampy when I was younger. Not anymore. I don't watch him anymore.
Girl, she didn't make it.
And Jenna Marbles also, I love her so much. Like, and Julian, he's so cute. Like, he's such a cute boyfriend.
I don't watch her, so I wouldn't know.
Dude, you would love her. What sign are you? What's your sign?
Gemini. Why?
They're just
What are
like,
you?
they're really, I'm an Aries. But one day, it starts March 21st. And, well, by 2 days, actually. I would be a, what's the water one?
No idea.
There's like a water one that ends the 21st, and then Aries starts then. Yeah, Aries season. We're crazy.
My birthday's in like 2 months.
Actually,
Actually, no. My birthday's not in 2 months.
23 days.
Yeah, I have to go to a birthday party late. Oh my god, stop! Okay, so if you guys don't have like an Apple Watch, you should
Quit
get one.
flexing.
You should get one.
I'm not gonna be surprised if I see you with some AirPods.
Oh, really? I should ask that for my birthday.
You be flexing all over me.
I'd be like, hey! No. I can't believe I'm gonna be 16. God. Oh my God.
I feel young hanging out with you guys. Because, like, I'm still 14. Everyone else is, like, 15. Except Kiara, but she never hangs out with us, so we don't know.
Yeah, you don't even know her.
Woohoo! But I'm, like, the youngest of the group. Except Kiara. I'm older than Kiara by, like, 5 days.
No, she's older than you.
No. She's born the 29th. I'm born the 29th.
Oh, okay.
But, everyone's like, oh yeah, I'm 15. And I'm like, I'm a little kid. I'm 14. And now when everyone turns 16, I'm going to be like,
15.
I'm a little kid. I'm 15.
Yeah, so how's your first year of high school going?
I hate it. I miss 8th grade.
Explain.
What do you mean? Guys, high school sucks.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't really suck. You just gotta keep up with your classes.
Snow days?
Oh my God. We had like 12
11.
snow days in a row. Well, how many snow days in a row did we have?
We had a Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
And then Monday.
Monday and Tuesday were planned not to have school.
Oh yes,
and
right.
Then Wednesday.
No, Thursday we went back, and then Friday we had off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like.
So we had 7 days in a row, but then we also had 2 days for midwinter break.
It was crazy. Yeah, it was the best time of my life, and that's like the first time ever we had that many snow days in a row. It's crazy.
But everyone was like, I'm gonna go back to school because I'm gonna be behind, and I'm like, it's great, but it's not great because it puts you behind. And then your school is like, oh yeah, let's take up summer, like, but in Michigan where we are, there's a law passing. The governor is trying to get a law passed. It's going through Congress right now. I'm like making sure I know what's happening with that. That's like the only politics that I know. I don't even know if it's politics. Anyways, it's a law passing saying that they cannot make summer longer because of snow days. Like, they can't punish the students for the weather that we don't even, like, we can't control.
Okay, I understand, because, like, Rockford, Michigan, they have many snow days. They had, like, 3 weeks worth of snow days. I think that's kind of too much.
Yeah.
Because, really...
But, like, we can't control it. If the whole state is under winter advisory and winter shutdown.
And
like,
everybody was closed. Like, every single school was closed in Michigan.
Yeah. And it just made me so mad. And then there's another law passing saying that school can't start until after Labor Day instead of before.
Hopefully that passes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, hopefully that passes before they make, like, the official school day. Because we started, so everywhere else in Michigan, even Grand Haven and Fruitport, they started, Spring Lake was the only one that started before Labor Day. Oh, yeah, before Labor Day. Any other school in the United States starts after Labor Day.
Yeah. No, not everybody. Because the guy that I was talking to in Louisiana, he started, like, August something.
Well, yeah, they end in, like, May.
Yeah.
But, like, everyone that ends on June 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, whatever those days are, start after Labor Day.
It'd be fun if we ended in May. Would I be gone for...
I don't want to be going to school in August.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true, I guess. Because then we have the carnival there, and then...
Mhm.
But it sucks, because then, like, I'm in school with my birthday, so... Her birthday's June, so.
Yeah.
What?
You know that's during Memorial Day weekend?
You mean, no, the carnival for August.
Oh, Coast Guard?
Yeah.
I thought you meant old-fashioned days, because I'm like, that is in August. Oh, that is
Then May. Like the more, yeah.
Memorial Day. And guess what?
You're not going.
No, I will go. I'll probably go Friday.
We all need to hang out and do that again. Last year was fun.
But
Didn't you spend the night that night? Cause I remember Kiara went to my house and then we met up.
I had Mackenzie.
No, that was like a long.
That was the day after.
Yeah, but like me, you, and Kiara hung out at the house for a minute, and then we all went and met up with Rexy and Selena.
I guess we did.
But then I thought Kiara spent the night. But she
Has
said
Kiara ever spent the night?
Yeah, my birthday. Last year.
Oh yeah, because that's like.
And then she came there like really late. Like we already ate and everything.
Oh yeah.
She's wanted to be late. But it's okay because we still love you, Kiara. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We still love you. So if you're watching this, love you. Ah.
Yeah, like who's watching this? This is gonna get 5 views.
No, it's not. It's gonna get good views.
You have like 50 subscribers.
Yeah, it's gonna get 50 video or views. It's gonna get 50 views. Look at,
Okay.
looking up at the camera like that.
Okay, if you say so.
I didn't really eat.
You need to finish.
No, I can't finish.
No.
You want it? I just gave it to you. Oh my god. You can finish it.
I don't want it.
You don't have that much fries left.
Your hair.
Oh my god, that'd be a blooper.
Just keep it in. We'll probably be munching on these for the rest of the night.
Okay, does anybody have any
That's good.
suggestions for Netflix? You should watch the Pearl Harbor with me.
No.
What?
What am I watching on Netflix right now? Oh, zero things, because my life is on YouTube, not Netflix.
Okay. Pearl Harbor isn't on anymore, I don't think. It ended today.
Oh, Riverdale. Riverdale I'm watching. What else am I watching? Let's see. I don't even know who that is. They requested to follow me.
I don't watch Riverdale. Anybody know about the new video, or not the new video, the new series for Pretty Little Liars? It's called Pretty...
Little Perfectionist.
Yeah.
I already know. Done.
It's coming out in like this month, right? Yep. Like, I forgot what day.
Yeah, I'm not watching anything.
Yeah, I love Pretty Little Liars. I like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna see that. You know, The Kissing Booth is coming out with a sequel?
Yes, and did you see,
To All the Boys I Love You
yes,
For is also coming out with a sequel?
Yes. I can't, but I hope, I don't know, for Kissing Booth, I really hope that they continue on with the his brother and her.
What do you mean?
What's her
Noah
name?
and...
Yeah, Noah and, the shy girl. I don't know who her name is.
it the main one?
Yes, the main one. I don't know her name.
I don't know her name either.
But
She shaved her head.
she did. So she put it in a wig.
Or they probably already filmed the movie.
Yeah, they could have.
Because like
Cause she's in another movie too.
she's in another show right now. Like she's getting another show. I need to like put my legs out. Just stretch a little bit.
I'm full. Are you full? You're
Yeah.
Because I mean, I'm not like fully full, but like.
Eat more then.
No, I'm not eating. Dude, I do not need to weigh 555 pounds, okay? That's not you. That's not you, honey.
Well, after this week, I'm like going on a diet, so like I'm really just trying to eat.
Do you wanna start working out with me?
Have a schedule?
Yeah, like Monday.
Friday.
No.
Monday.
Tuesdays, Wednesday.
That's too much.
And Saturdays? No.
Weekends I can't.
Yeah, neither.
But I'm going on the keto diet on Monday. It's Friday. So like this weekend, I'm gonna just
Eat everything.
And I can't have sugar, potatoes, carbs, like any. I can't have bread. I can't have
You
anything.
have to eat plants. So you're basically vegan.
Well, no, you can eat a lot of meat. Like meat is the most important thing. Protein, most important thing, and cheese. Those two are like the main. If you don't want to be a vegetable eater.
Eat all those. Alright.
But it's that, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do at school. I don't want to eat salad every day.
Yeah, it's nasty. You can get a sub. Oh wait, no, you can't.
What I was thinking of doing is at the nachos, I can ask for no chips. Everything else is fine. As long as I don't get those chips, I'm fine.
Yeah.
So I'd be like, can I just have it without the chips? Because the queso sauce, the cheese is fine.
They do nacho cheese.
Yeah, that's what it is. Queso sauce is fine.
But they also did one other type of sauce before.
The white sauce?
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
I think it's Alfredo.
Ew.
I don't know though. Yeah.
Okay, you ready to end the video? Because we are stuffed.
But I'm still gonna eat.
Yeah, because we're fat. But if you like this video, please subscribe so we can do more.
Like this video if you want more mukbangs. Mukbang.
Have you watched that lady, Tammy?
Tammy.
Oh my god, she's so funny. She's a mukbanger, but like she's like
You know
southern.
what?
She's southern. Have you heard of her? Oh yeah, I gotta show you a video of her. Do it.
Cold
Do it
water.
again.
Hold on.
I love this.
Hold on, I gotta get another one. I have sensitive teeth, so like.
I do too. It's called root canals and they'll do better.
Hold on, I gotta milk it a little bit so it doesn't hurt my teeth as much.
Okay, give me goosebumps. Okay, guys, we are gonna get going. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes.
No. If you do like this video, please subscribe and comment down below what kind of mukbangs you would like us to do. And we'll get back to you
Go check out my
later.
stuff because I don't post on YouTube anymore.
Yeah, well, I'm starting to do it now. But I'll see you guys later. Next video. Bye!